73 BELAIR on 26s. And we're test fitting some 26-inch dub rims on a 73 Chevy BELAIR. Donk the fuck out. So here's the original, I don't know, what is that, 15-inch rim? You can see there's a little bit of room on the sides. And now on the front, I've already got 26 on there. It's on, but it ain't gonna fucking move at all. We could roll back and forth, but that shit is not gonna turn. That's for sure. Look at that tiny little fucking space in there. And that tiny little space right there. It's actually is touching the quarter panel already. You see that? So I went ahead and took out the fender wells, because obviously we're gonna have to do some type of customization on that to make them fit. There's the other one. We got both the front ones on. We don't got the back ones on yet though. We're gonna try that next. So the front one we got on, we're gonna have to clear like, I don't know, 1.5 inches off the fender, and then everything inside the fender right to the firewall. And as you can see, there's some wires back there and shit. We're gonna have to reroute some of that, and then possibly customize the existing fender well for the extra room. And same thing on the front here. We're gonna have to trim it right back to the edge of this light and make some type of custom chrome edging there to cover up our trim. And looks like we're probably gonna have to do the same thing on the back, except the issue with the back is that there is a piece of the frame that sticks out farther than normal. So we're actually probably gonna have to notch this chunk of the frame right here right back to the body and weld a new piece of metal in there. And then again, I'm guessing that we're gonna have to trim possibly a little bit of either side of this. So give me 15 minutes and we'll see. We got that chopped all nice. Chopped and tucked. You wait till you see it turn, it'll fucking tuck right in there, right up in there. We got the fender wells on finally. All customized, put back on the grill. Just waiting for the bumper now. Gotta polish that shit and put that back on. Yeah, looking mean. It's gonna look sick once those bumpers are back on and I buff and polish the shit. Gonna look clean as fuck.
Still sipping on Jack D till my neck and my head start feeling it. Doing 125 now, 29, really think I need to start slowing down.